In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off read receipts on your iPhone. If this guide helps you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. What you're going to do is open up settings on your iPhone, and we're going to go all the way to the bottom and we're going to tap on apps. Once you do, you're going to go to the search bar and you're going to type messages and you're going to select the app. Now, if we scroll down a little bit, you're going to see the option of send read receipts. Now, here is where you can disable this option. So whenever this option is on, people are going to be notified when you read their messages. But if you take it off, well, they won't see whenever you read them or get to see them. If you want to turn it back on, you simply go back to settings and enable the option. And that's pretty much it. Now you're able to turn off read receipts. I hope this video helped you, and don't forget to subscribe down below.